I get things when I see for social media. They give 200 million to orphanage, and then 50 million make everything 250 million to orphanage. But this 200 million when I see, when I hear, I see for social media, it surprise me. If person like me, where the popular person where they know, person like me where they know, nobody fit do anything. Now people orphanage where they don't know from anywhere now they give 250 million. It's so funny.
When I see that word when they call entitlement, now because of Baba Frayo, that word even dey in existence at the first place. Nobody fit tell me anything. See, anyway, if I don't know person they call Baba Frayo, now that man who sing, them go they pose, them go they dengue, yes, now we they talk about so this man come out, come talk, say money when Davido carry go give orphanages, Davido for come give in. At least now wetin I think say mean be that, because this man talk say one time he be dey depressed, he call Davido, he reach out to many people, nobody answer am. Even the NGO when he come they represent them, he call them, they no answer am. So he come here now say Davido carry 250 million naira go give orphanages. Orphanages when people no know. Even when people know, Davido no come give am the money. I say, Oga Baba Frayo, when you dey rain that time they sing them go they post, how many people you help? How many people you help? Everybody knows now wetin Davido don't do for grant. Now he reap so. Now one time he take call people they drop the 1 million. And the man to even show say he get good heart. Carry the 251 million when he make from that donations. Had 50 million join now come say he won't give orphanages. You can come out now say now you then know. I don't know who know you. Because they think they know people. Now people when do something for people, now them they know. People when, give people life a meaning, now them they know. Nobody know you. Nobody if you come out now say, this one I waiting Baba Frayo do for me that time. I sure that be the reason why nobody help you when you need the help. God forbid say person like Davido not can get tomorrow. Hey. People dey when go stand say, Baba, we dey here for you. Now we dey here. Before you fall, we go raise you up, because why now waiting don't do for grant. Baba Frayo, me they ask you again. Now waiting you don't do. Waiting you do. You they come and say me when people know. Who know you? Who know you? I ask again now who know you, because me no know you. Me no know you. Entitlement. For you to go meet her and say, I beg, oh, let her reach my hand, oh, sir, I don't reach out to you that time, oh, I still need this help, oh, my condition not still good, oh, you understand? You come out, come they say, me when they know, make una pull high for this kind video, the video when this man make this smell. For me, oh, it smell, because the entitlement just too much. The entitlement just too much, and at the audacity for me. How can a man of your age sit down, finish, carry video, face yourself, they tell what people say, now you people know, and that those people when they orphanage homes, nobody know them. How can you even say that about people when obviously needs the help? You get hand, you get leg, you know be Davido papa, Davido no be your papa, you know be Davido pikin, Davido no be your pikin, you can't sit down, can't get entitlement on top person money. I fear you, and I fear not still fear you join. Abba, now waiting. How person papa go just sit down, can't carry the get entitlement on top of another person money. So you can't know how the person suppose, use the money. Anyway, guys, y'all know this is usually not me, but it is what it is. And yes, I go let you now watch the video so that I go understand my vex, because I know say anybody when warm they chop for a belly must vex for this video when Baba Frayo make. I mean, this money when they talk about, so not be say Davido chop the money, or not be say use and do something for himself. Rather, I carry this money, say, I want use and help people when they orphanage homes across the country. Now tell me, how many governors don't do that thing when Davido do so? How many presidents don't do am? Now this Baba Frayo we never do one naira give away, give people come and say now him them suppose give the money. Anyway, shall may not be like say I dey talk too much, because I know say I don't even talk off points normally, because I dey vex. And yeah, like I talk, I go let you now watch the video, and I go see you now my next one. So take care of yourselves, and bye bye.
Yeah, my people, good morning. I salute everybody. I get things when I see for social media. They give 200 million to orphanage, and then 50 million make everything 250 million to orphanage. To me, the thing they did funny to me. I remember when I did depressed, They tag many of my colleagues. They tag Davido, they tag Two-Face, they tag other people. But none of them respond. Now people will never see me for this live, people will not know me. Now them respond. I can put up, say, yes, I see people like you and other people, Choki, all of them, at least they responded with them, they call me, they interview me. But this 200 million, when I see, when I hear, I see from social media, it surprise me. If person like me, where the popular person where they know, person like me where they know, nobody fit do anything. Now people orphanage where they don't know from anywhere, now they give 250 million. It's so funny. Look, I will advise Nigerians and black people, make we wise up, make we stop all these things, make we stop them. Because see, Oyibo people know they do all these things, so they know they do them at all. All waiting what they do, they look so funny. Not be say, I say make them give money to orphanage na bad thing, no, because I don't be ambassador to an NGO. And this NGO, I know they collect 1 naira. But funny enough, when I get depressed, get that problem, the NGO self no respond. You see waiting how black man sense be, you see how it be. Now I see 200 million, they post them everywhere. See the video want to they give money to orphanage. They get 5 men committee to distribute that money. Everything sounds funny to me. To me, if I see people they do good, I appreciate them. Not because I say a bad thing, but I did want to ask people, say, person like me, where cry out, when people know where cry out, they not feel help the person where they know. Now people where they not know, where we not see their face. Now then they help out with 250 million. What would they think? Shall we call that on wickedness? Or would they call that on ignorance? What we open our eyes well. Even this Nigerian government self, Delta State government, I tag them. I tag River State. I tag Lagos State. None of them shake body. Now wickedness won't call them or now ignorant. But today now they see 250 million. They say they want to distribute to orphanage all over Nigeria. It dey too funny. So I go advise Nigerians, make we open our eyes, make we know things when they go on, and some things when it be say not they right, make we dey shun them. Now my own, now I just talk so. If on a like, I know say some people they believe in say they follow one person. If they see the truth, they could cover the person. They could cover the person yash. They could abuse that person when they talk through. If on a like, make on abuse me. But me, Baba Frayo, I don't talk my mind. You dey hear me so? I don't talk my mind.